In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer in Stripe. To get started, log into your Stripe account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Customers. This will take you to the area where you can view, manage, and add customer profiles. From there, click Create Customer. This opens the customer creation form, where you'll enter the key details for the new record. Start by typing the customer's name into the name field. Then enter the customer's email address in the email field. Be sure to check for spelling accuracy here, since this information can be important for invoices, receipts, and future communication. Next, choose the customer's preferred language from the language dropdown. This can help ensure a better experience for customer-facing communication, especially if you work with people in different regions. If you need to include more information, click More Options. This section gives you access to additional customer settings and details that may be useful depending on how you use Stripe. Begin by expanding billing information and enter any billing details if needed. This is helpful when you want to keep payment-related information organized in one place. After that, expand tax information and add any required tax details. If your business needs to track tax IDs or region-specific tax data, this is where you'll do it. Next, expand shipping information and enter the customer's shipping address, if that applies to your workflow. If you send physical products or need a saved delivery address for future use, this step can save time later. Then expand invoice settings and configure any invoice preferences. This is where you can adjust settings related to how invoices should be handled for this customer. Once everything has been filled in, take a moment to review all customer information carefully. This quick check helps prevent mistakes and ensures the profile is complete before you save it. When you're ready, click Add Customer. Stripe will create the new customer profile and return you to the customer management area. Finally, verify that the customer appears in your customers list. This confirms that the record was successfully added and is now available for future payments, invoices, or account activity. That's all it takes to create a customer in Stripe. Thanks for watching.